Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is August mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, water sign. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fill in. I want clarification card for Four of Wands. Okay, Knight of Swords and Ace of Wands, Three of Wands, Six of Swords, Six of Wands. Okay, under the deck, Queen of Cups, Nine of Cups, Judgment, and Death. I think for some you are in separation with this person right now, and you already made a decision because some issues between you and your person, and your wishes are going to be granted, and you're very caring and sharing person. Even though you walked away from this connection, even though you both are in separation, you still have strong emotions towards this person, Cancer. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Seven of Swords, Page of Wands, and the World. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. Definitely your person played games with you in past. They cheated on you. Your person may be a liar or a cheater. Uh, I think player in and out of your life, there is no stability, there is no clarity, especially from your person's side. Definitely some cycles are already ended between you and your person. Then present Four of Wands, Six of Swords, and Ace of Swords. So clarification cards, Knight of Swords, Six of Wands, and Three of Wands. Someone is rushing to communicate with you, but there is some waiting game is going. I think you decided to move on, even though you want success in this connection, but there is no stability due to trust issues. Maybe you decided to move on. But somewhere, some part of you still waiting for their call or for their message, Cancer. And for some, there is communication is coming with clarity. Definitely, there is communication is coming. Then future, Page of Swords, Three of Cups, and Seven of Cups. You are in some confusion, and someone is coming back for reconciliation. They are spying you a lot. They keep putting tabs on you, Cancer. Lots of you are involved in third party situation here. That's why you are in some confusion. You don't know which decision you have to make. For some, you have options. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, Cancer, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, High Priestess, Emperor, King of Wands, and Page of Pentacles. Definitely, your your person is a powerful person. They are on their power right now. For some, maybe your person have ego problem, but right now they started listening to their intuition and trusting their intuition. That's why they wanna say. That's why they wanna communicate with you. If they did hurt you, they wanna say apology. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Lots of your kids also involved in this connection. Another deck, Ace of Cups, Nine of Cups, Seven of Wands, and Chariot. Definitely they're coming back if you're in separation. If you're not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, they're in slow moving, but they're coming back. They will fight for your attention or fight for your love. They're wishing for connection. You are their wish fulfillment, and they do love you. Cancer. So their current feelings, Page of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and the Hanged Man. So Cancer, they are stuck on you. They're spiritually awakening here, and they want to say apology, or they will send some random text message. They keep putting tabs on you. They're watching you. They're wondering about you a lot, Cancer. And their intention, Three of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and Six of Pentacles. So this time they really want partnership with you. They really want to work on this relationship because they are feeling sad without you. Now they really want to offer equal give and take. Maybe in past there is no equal give and take in this relationship, but now your person really want to offer equal give and take. They want to collaborate with you, and they want reconciliation if you are in separation. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on in the outcome. There is love, mutual love. Yes, there is love, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. But your person feeling overburdened, feeling stuck, but they're very, very attracted to you. But there are some issues. Maybe your person have a lot of work to do. For some, your person emotions are running high because they are in separation with you. So, but there is love between both of you, and it's a mutual love. Two cards. Yeah, justice. But you want justice, Cancer. So you are spiritually awakening, and you are isolated from all and taking rest, or you are healing, and you want justice. You want balance. Especially there is no balance in this connection. Right now you are going through a lot. Yeah, but someone is coming. I think you are also feeling sad without this person. You also want second chances but not opening up. So let's see mutual energies. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Libra. Yeah, waiting game is going between you and your person. But yeah, there will be some stability in future, but it's gonna take some time because Seven of Pentacles. Maybe you both are waiting for each other moves, for each other calls. Definitely manifesting. You both are manifesting each other. But definitely there will be some stability is coming in this connection, but it will take some time. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Cancer. Okay, twin flames. Lots of you are in twin flame journey. Age difference. And retreat, and I can't give you what you need. So the messages are I can't give you what you need, twin flames, age difference, retreat. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Cancer. Have faith in your dreams. So if you're dreaming about something, first you have to believe, then you will achieve. So let's see another message. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius energy. So definitely if you're not believing anything, so this is the message for you. Look at the bigger picture. Everything is possible, nothing is impossible. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.